If you have ever seen one viral video of this cream, Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream, then you already know why this cream took over the internet by storm, all these social platforms, be it Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. But what's more surprising is even after all this hype, people are still searching for these two questions every single day. Will it really reduce redness or help with sensitive post-acne skin? And will it break me out? Is this cream actually safe for reactive, sensitive, easily irritated skin? I have been using this cream for almost 2 months now, on and off, especially after I introduced the Celimax retinol shot into my routine. And trust me, I wanted to be absolutely sure before I say anything, before I put any review out. Because when something goes so viral, people either expect miracle or they are scared that it's just another overhyped product. So today I'm giving you my real experience, what this cream did for my skin, what it didn't do, and the one thing nobody talks about, whether it actually deserves the hype it's getting. So if you're someone who deals with redness, easily triggered skin, or that phase after acne where everything kind of stings, this video might help you decide if this cream, Dr. Althea Dr. 345 Relief Cream, is actually worth your money or not. So let's get into it. So what these 345 number actually stands for, I think by now most of you might know it already because this cream has been circulating on social media a lot. 3 represents here 3 ingredients for blemish care: resveratrol, tannic acid, and niacinamide. These ingredients target dark spots, uneven skin tone, and post-acne marks. Number 4 represents 4 nourishing ingredients, which are beta-glucan, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, ceramide NP, and sodium DNA, which is from rice bran PDRN. So these ingredients basically help with hydration, moisture, and barrier support care. Number 5 here represents 5 ingredients for soothing care: Camellia sinensis leaf water, tea tree leaf water, Centella asiatica leaf water, my favorite, sodium DNA from Centella PDRN, and madecasoid. And these 5 ingredients target redness, any sort of irritation that comes from post-treatment, any sort of sensitivity on your skin. So on paper, it sounds amazing. It's full of comforting, barrier-friendly ingredients, and that viral reel, if you have seen.
Oh, I don't have any. Oh, thank you. I use the 345.
Definitely creates an emotional pull. Because if that girl is truly barefaced in that reel, her skin is divine, is beautiful. And yes, after seeing that reel, I felt the same urge. I also want that kind of glow, so let me order it. So let me begin with how much I have used this cream and how often. Even though it's been almost 2 months, you can see the tube. I have only used this much. Why? Because my usage wasn't consistent. Some days I used it after retinoids, sometimes after shaving, sometimes after a mild at-home chemical peel, basically on days when I needed soothing or when my barrier felt a little compromised. So I have used it enough to understand how it behaves on my skin. Let's talk about the texture and the application. The texture of this cream is very, very similar to this Illiyoon Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel. It has the same slightly jelly, slightly creamy feel, very hydrating, very comforting initially. But here is what I immediately noticed because of the climate I'm in. Panama, it is hot and humid. It gets sticky on me, like sticky enough that I don't enjoy this cream in the mornings. If I wear this and on top I wear my sunscreen and underneath this I have my other serums, it will feel too heavy on my face. And in the climate that I'm in, it is so humid, that sticky feel only gets worse as the day passes. So for me, this is not a morning cream, not at all. Now let's talk results. Hydration, yes, 100%. It really hydrates well and keeps the skin soft. Is it soothing? It is decent, I would say. After shaving, after mild peeling, after using retinol, yes, it does soothe. But is it the best for soothing? I don't think so. When I compare it directly with the Illiyoon Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel, the Illiyoon works way better, I would say. It calms redness faster, it reduces irritation better, it settles the skin more effectively. So if your main goal is immediate soothing and calming, I would still choose Illiyoon over this. And you know, saying this, I really feel so bad about just saying all these things about this product because I really wanted it to work. It's one of those products, when I saw that reel and I was like, wow, it should work on my skin. It should give me those results. And when it did not happen, I was kind of a little disappointed. But one thing for sure that I did not get any pimple, any breakouts when I was using this. It's fragrance free, it's non-comedogenic, so that part is great. But is it life-changing? No. And this is where my opinion goes against the hype a little bit. It's a good cream, but it's not a wow, my skin transformed kind of cream. It's not going to take you from here to here like those reels make it look. And I think sometimes when the product goes viral, the expectations around that product also become very unrealistic. And again, for a fact, we must remember everyone's skin is different. Maybe this product might have performed really well for some people, but for me, it did not work that well. So let's come down to who might like it. This will work beautifully if you have dry skin, if you have dehydrated skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you live in cooler or less humid climates, or if you want a gentle barrier-friendly cream for post-acne marks. But if you live in humidity like I do, you probably will find this cream very sticky for daytime use. Let's also talk about who might not love it. If you are an oily skin type, if you live in hot and humid climate, if you prefer lightweight, fast-absorbing moisturizers, this might not be the fit. And if you don't like that tacky, that sticky finish, you will not like this. Now, at this point, let's compare some of the brand claims versus my experience. So the brand claims 117% increase in hydration. Hydration is true and 100% on that. It calms redness. Now, I haven't faced, actually, I did not get any sort of redness where I could use this cream to test it. So I cannot say much on that. The brand claims it's safe for sensitive and acne prone skin. And from my experience of using this, yes, it is acne safe and gentle on the skin. Yes. The brand also says it gives silky finish without greasiness. But the silky finish part, not for me. Let's look at some of the other claims. So it's vegan, it's no fragrance, it's no parabens. Now, vegan and parabens, of course, we can look at the ingredient list. And actually, it's vegan and paraben free, and there is no fragrance at all. But on my skin, in my climate, it definitely feels sticky and heavy, not silky. So is it worth buying? In my opinion, this is a good cream, but it's not like a must-have kind of product. It hydrates, it nourishes, it soothes, but it did not impress me, like some other products, especially this one, A2 soothing gel from Illiyoon, like that cream did. I did not notice any sort of instant improvements. It didn't give any glass skin effect. Also, I would say it didn't calm my skin as effectively as the Illiyoon A2 soothing gel. And of course, as I mentioned, the texture is not something I enjoyed in humidity. So my experience is very different from, what the viral videos show. If someone asked me today, which one would you buy between this and this, my answer would be Illiyoon soothing gel. This Dr. Althea cream is nice, but not great. It's hydrating, yes. It's soothing, yes. But is it that special? No. Would I repurchase it? Honestly, no. At least not in this climate. Maybe in winters, or if I lived somewhere colder, or I might have a different opinion maybe. And I will test this later this year, and I will share an update how this cream behaves in a colder weather. But for now, as of today, it's not a repurchase for me. So final thoughts, if you're buying it with the expectation of seeing results like those you see in those viral reels, please don't. It's gentle, hydrating cream, a comforting cream, a barrier-friendly cream, but not a miracle product. And for soothing, calming, repairing benefits, the Illiyoon Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel works better. Now, if you have already tried this cream, let me know your experience. How did it go for you in the comments? I'm genuinely curious whether your experience was similar or completely different than mine. And that's all for today's video. This is Neha signing off. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.